Complete political harmony in the chamber of Donegal County Council this afternoon as councillors sang along with one of Donegal's most famous sons, Daniel O'Donnell, who was awarded the Freedom of the County. Described as a great ambassador for his native county, Daniel said he was humbled by the honour.
Sing it if you know it. Now it's winter time there.
It's not often you get all political parties singing from the same song sheet, but that's the way it was in Donegal County Council this afternoon when the chamber was filled to overflowing as the county's highest honour was conferred on Daniel O'Donnell for his musical achievements, his charity work and the promotion of his native county.
Daniel has been a huge ambassador for our county. He continuously and at every opportunity promotes the county no matter where he goes, let it be in Letterkenny or let it be in Brisbane.
As I listen to everybody speaking, it's kind of like, I suppose, a privilege that not many get, to be actually alive for their own funeral, because that's the only time that people are praised unreservedly. But I really feel very, very, very honoured, and I suppose humbled in a way.
To be honest with you, I suppose as a wife I should really say this, but I think the award is definitely deserved, because I've never seen anybody come out of a county and to promote it as much.
It's lovely to see Daniel getting these things, you know, and she's very proud. But she runs the whole show, you know, herself. This woman gives the orders from the corner.
And I should be the one that's getting the medal.
So it's a lovely day, Eileen, and a lovely honour.
He has a multitude of national and international awards, but for Daniel, the honour bestowed by his native county is the most special. Eileen Magner, RTE News, Lifford.